BarryTiger.
Help the garbage truck!
Hee-haw! I have Food Truck Yammy's Royal Burger! It's my dream hamburger! It took me a whole hour to line up for it! Oh, I fell flat on my bum! Oh my goodness! There's so much rubbish on the street! Oh no, what should I do? I think I should call Trash Truck May so she can come right away!
You don't need to call! I'm already here! Leave the cleaning to me! Trash Truck May in action! What happened? Oh, I need to go to Barry's repair station first. See you!
Goodbye! Hee-haw! I'll have to line up for a royal burger again!
This stinks! It's even stinkier than old socks. I better call Trash Truck May.
You don't need to call me. I'm already here. But my brush is all broken.
Huh? So that's why there's so much trash on the street. Dear friends, this is an emergency. Let's start repairing it now. May, we need to use the scanner so that we can give you a full checkup.
Okay.
The gear is rusted, so the cogwheel is all stuck. Let's remove the broken parts first. Then clean the rusted spots with a rust remover. We also need to install a new belt.
Oh, wow! My brush is spinning so fast! I can start cleaning the streets again.
May, your brush is too dirty. I think that you still need a wash.
Oh, you are right about that. Wahoo!
Let's clean you up with some washing liquid. May, what washing liquid would you like?
The smell of green apples. Oh, that feels so good.
Now, let's rinse off the foam. Lastly, let's blow dry you.
Huh? I'm all cleaned up now. This is just wonderful.
Dear friends, thanks for your help.
Super Mechanic Barry, I must go and clean up the trash now.
Super, we're counting on you.
Mission accomplished.
Hi, May! How nice! You've cleaned up the streets so well! Hee-haw! Hee-haw! I can finally have the hamburger I've been dreaming of for so long!
Okay, watch out! Poor thing, he's so unlucky. I think that I need to call Ambulance Angie for some help.
Subscribe!